I had a friend that was from Chattanooga, and when I thought about going back to school, he kept plugging ETC. When you're a non-traditional student and you're coming back to school, you kind of have that feeling like right before the first test every semester, like, oh, what if I mess up? Like, this is it. This is where I mess up, and I go back and I have to, be a laborer or work with my hands or something like that. And then you get that first test back, and you did really well, and you're like, okay, I can do this. I can calm down. I was working in the oil fields, and I wanted to get into renewables. So I felt electrical engineering was the route to take. I've always been just sort of a analytical type thinker. Always like puzzles and just problem solving. When I was in the oil fields, I took a couple aptitude tests, and engineering was in the top 3. So that kind of solidified it. I've had 3 internships and 1 undergraduate research experience. So I've been very busy. My first one I got when I was at Chat State. It was with Compass Commissioning and Design. They basically commission buildings to check their energy efficiency for their HVAC systems. My second internship was with the Volkswagen supplier, a place called Plastic Omnium. I worked in quality control, but we've made front and rear end bumpers for the Passat and Atlas. And then my third internship is the one I'm actually currently working at, is at TVA, and I work in their transmission operations department. I'd like to be working in some renewable space. There's a lot of new technology in nuclear to make it less greenhouse gas emissions and make it more efficient and things like that, and like reduce the carbon footprint. So if I could do something within that space, I think I'd be very happy. I would definitely like to plug the professors. I think they realize that if you're honest and come to them with like honest questions, and you show that you care and are willing to put in the work, they're definitely gonna stick their neck out for you.